do a quick test drive here. The car has 1,660 miles on it, so it's pretty much brand new. The steering wheel doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. It's perfectly straight. The car sounds amazing. Car shift's perfect. There's really nothing to complain about here. And then all of this will be included. And then that is a red car cover. And then the OEM carbon wheels are included. And then of course, these wheels will be on the car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So before we get started, I'll list off some of the modifications. So you have the Inguz forged wheels. The factory carbon wheels are included. You have full body PPF. Every single component on this car is fully protected. It is lowered on Novitec coilovers. And then you also have the Novitec carbon trim here. That looks good. Then you have gloss black stripes right here, and then matte black on the top. Those can be removed and were added after the fact. And then this was all wrapped in a gloss black vinyl down there. It is green underneath. Making our way to the back. All of this is fully protected in PPF. All the trim in here, all the carbon, back bumper, all of that. The car is fully ceramic coated. And then on the inside, the only other upgrade were these custom seat belts with matching green from Seatbelt Planet. So now let's do a condition report here. We're going to start with the front right wheel. The finish on these are amazing. I don't see any curb rash. See, the barrel looks perfect. Calipers look amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Full body PPF. That fender looks good. I don't see any imperfections. Mirror looks perfect. And then the front windshield has Exo Shield on it, which is basically PPF for the windshield. So that's fully protected. A-pillar looks amazing. We've got the matte black stripes here. Like I said, those can be removed. That door edge is perfect. I don't see any flaws on that door. Got the carbon down here. All of that looks good. Quarter panel is perfect. Here on the back right wheel, there is a scratch right there and a chip in the clear. I don't see any other flaws. You can see how clean all of this is. Looking at the front end, Looks amazing. Like I said, you have the Novitec carbon piece here and that nice V pattern. Got the gloss black stripes. Full front clip PPF here. Scanning this hood, I don't see any imperfections. Absolutely perfect. Headlights look amazing. Got all the carbon trim here, that's all protected. Carbon splitter looks amazing. Like I said, this was wrapped gloss black. Now you're gonna have a couple tiny rock impacts on that film, but it's there to protect it, and honestly, nothing's really standing out to me yet. So you can see some of the green underneath if you get real low. All of this looks perfect. Now if we get all the way underneath the car, you are going to see a little bit of rash right here on that very edge. See if I can't get close. You can see that it's way underneath. All of this is perfect all the way around. Corner again. If we get way under here, you're going to see a little bit under there. Besides that, that front end is absolutely perfect. And then checking out the driver's side. Fender's perfect. Looking at this wheel. Don't see any curb rash. Very, very clean. Looking at the mirror here. Looks absolutely perfect. A-pillar looks amazing. All of that is perfect. This thing is just wicked, wicked clean. There's not much to pick apart. Lower rocker looks good. Quarter panel is nice and clean. All that carbon looks good. Lower rocker looks perfect. If you look on the PPF right here, there is a little scuff. But that's just in the film. We have one rock chip here that I noticed. Everything else looks amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. And checking out the back, you can see the stripes extend here and they go gloss once they go across the green. Full PPF on all of this as well. All the carbon. All of that's perfect. All of this looks good. Taillights look amazing. Carbon diffuser is awesome. It's fully protected in PPF. There's just nothing to pick apart back here. Then looking at the front, there's all your options. That looks awesome. This is all sealed in the plastic still. Looks amazing. Full carbon here on the underside. Looks awesome. Looking at the interior, it is absolutely gorgeous. All of that Alcantara is perfect. The carbon looks amazing. All of this is perfect as well. I don't see any scuffs or scratches on that door panel.
Today, of course, June 19th, Juneteenth.
And then you have the Seatbelt Planet custom belts. They look amazing. All of that carbon's perfect. Looking at that bolster, you have very minimal wear there. And looking right here, we do have a small scuff. That bolster looks good. You have a few small wrinkles right there. That corner looks good and the bottom looks amazing. All of this looks absolutely perfect. Upper side of the dash looks good. I don't see any flaws in here. And then here on the passenger panel, all of that looks good. Upper section looks perfect. There's really nothing to pick apart on that panel. It looks absolutely perfect. All that carbon looks good. Carpets look amazing. Leather looks good there. All that carbon looks good. I don't see any imperfections here. That seat looks good. Carpets look good. Underside looks amazing. Upper side looks good. There's really nothing to pick apart on this side.